Do you want to have healthier hair? Do you have hair loss or thinning hair? Do you wish your hair would grow faster and stronger? Or maybe you want to grow your hair longer and thicker. Maybe chopped it recently and decided you're officially not loving it now? I've got the solution. My hair grow recipe is easy and it works for men and women. In this video, I'm going to share with you exciting information about how to have healthy hair naturally with our easy, healthy hair grow recipe. I'm Rainey Ray, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. If you're looking for natural solutions for your needs, you've come to the right place. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss an update. At the end of this video, you'll have a chance to access several of my guides, including my Healthy Hair ebook and Aging Backward Naturally guide.
I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go.
If you follow me, you know that I've had some hair issues, including thinning hair, dry hair, hair breakage, and hair loss. I've tried all the commercial hair stuff that promised to fix my hair, and none of it worked, and it costs a pretty penny. I got tired of it. Are you with me? Are you tired of all the toxic chemicals in commercial hair solutions? Are you put off by the high cost? Here's an effective, natural solution that won't break the bank, and it has worked for literally hundreds and hundreds of people. The essential oils in this recipe will make 12 bottles of my Healthy Hair Grow recipe, so you can make some for yourself and for your friends and family. Winner, winner! I have two versions. You choose. One recipe has 5 oils, and the full Healthy Head of Hair recipe adds another 4 oils for up-leveled effectiveness. Easy peasy. The first we call the mermaid hair recipe. You'll be throwing those gorgeous locks back and officially have mermaid status with this spray. Now, who wants to be a mermaid? For the best results, of course, we only use doTERRA oils, so you know they are pure and have no fillers, additives, or synthetics. Put 10 to 20 drops of each oil in a 4-ounce fine mist spray bottle, then top off with water. Please, only glass or oil-safe plastic for the sprayer. Spray directly close to the scalp and comb, brush, or massage through, applying pressure to the scalp to stimulate hair follicles. It can be applied 1 to 2 times a day to wet or dry hair. This won't leave your hair greasy or heavy because the essential oils are mixed with water, not carrier oil. I love to work it through my hair after shampooing or even nightly. Focus on challenged areas. So here's the scoop on the oils. Cedarwood promotes thick and healthy looking hair and scalp. Clary sage supports a healthy scalp and strong hair. Peppermint is invigorating and cleansing. Geranium keeps the scalp healthy and clean and also provides hair with shine. Rosemary is added for abundant looking head of hair. Bonus, we use the combo of rosemary and lavender to regrow hair on dogs when they have hair loss. Be consistent using the spray and be sure to take before and after pics. To experience the full Healthy Head of Hair recipe, just add 4 more oils, and then it's the same prep and use instruction as described earlier. Frankincense to enhance the power of the other oils and support cellular health. Lavender for soothing the skin, promoting a healthy scalp. Tea tree for cleansing the scalp and hair. Copaiba to support a healthy inflammatory and nervous system while it moisturizes dry skin and hair. And hinoki, if you have it. So good for circulation. Okay, that's 5 more oils, but we don't always have access to hinoki. There are some added benefits of this hair growth spray. The oils in the spray will soothe your mind, help with anxious feelings and overwhelm, and you'll feel grounded and centered. And remember to take before and after pics so we can admire your new hair. As I promised, I want to give you access to my private Oils for Aging Backward class. If you prefer to To set up a time to talk about your needs, just use the link in the description below. There are also additional links to download my Aging Backward Naturally guide and other of my guides too. I'm so grateful that you're here. If you can relate to what I'm saying in this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you found value in the information, then go ahead and check out my other videos. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell or whatever it is for notifications. If you're already a subscriber, then welcome to our community and let me know what you would like to see in future videos. If you want to use natural solutions for your health as well as age backward naturally, then use the link below to get started, and I'll lock arms with you and give you all of my support. Together, we and our pets and animals can age backward naturally and live younger longer. Take good care.